Oh, look at that, Jervis Bay, which is New South Wales coast. 69,000. Yeah,
That's all right.
That is.
Buy two. Do you sell them by the pair?
Just think of the running cost.
Oh, the running
Jesus.
cost would be astronomical. Daria, there's a TV screen there.
Exactly where I wanted.
Yeah.
This is what round about $3.5 million buys you.
Yeah, but this is a packer boat. This is the kind of boat.
But I mean, what's $3.5 million for Pekka? He spends it in
That's what I'm saying.
one night in Vegas.
Multi-millionaire's boat.
Yeah,
They're all the townhouses I told you on the water, look.
yeah.
All around there. You come out in the morning, you berth your own boat, you got it all there, it's all there. Imagine in the height of summer here.
Oh, by the way, everyone, it's the 26th of May. So we're going into winter, and I am wearing
Yes, I
short
know.
sleeve and shorts. Hope you can see that, or maybe I hope you can't. Yeah.
Probably, he looks terrible. He's probably got
Yeah, loaded.
no clue.